Did you know that one of the masterminds behind Danaher Corporation is also a dedicated philanthropist? Let's dive in. Born in 1956 in Pittsburgh, Mitchell Rales grew up in Bethesda, Maryland, and attended Miami University in Ohio. In 1979, he co-founded Equity Group Holdings with his brother Stephen, initially focusing on real estate and venture capital. But in 1984, they acquired Jacobs Manufacturing, laying the groundwork for what would become Danaher Corporation. Under Mitchell's leadership, Danaher flourished through strategic acquisitions and the implementation of the Danaher Business System, a model rooted in lean manufacturing and continuous improvement. Today, Danaher is a global powerhouse in science and technology. But Mitchell isn't just a business mogul, he's also a philanthropist. Alongside his wife Emily, he co-founded Glenstone, a serene contemporary art museum in Potomac, Maryland. They also support healthcare and education initiatives like the Rales Center at Johns Hopkins University. Though he's a billionaire, Rales enjoys a low-profile lifestyle with his wife. From business to philanthropy, Mitchell Rales is a name worth knowing.